Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue with Steam. While launching any game, you got an error, content server unreachable. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, I'll guide you the basic steps. You need to head over to settings menu and choose option network and internet. Now from here, if you are using a wired connection or an Ethernet connection, make sure you turn off your Wi-Fi. Or else, do not use Ethernet connection, simply turn on the Wi-Fi and use the Wi-Fi connection to launch the Steam or the game. Hopefully, this simple step helps to resolve the issue. If this failed to work out, let's proceed with the next step. Head over to Steam, click on the Steam menu and choose option settings. Now from the left pane, click on the option storage and you will find the option of your installation drive. For example, right over here, I have C drive and F drive where I install the game. So first of all, select your C drive, click on this three-dot icon and choose option repair library. After doing so, from a drop-down list, if you have more than one drive like I have, select the second drive, click on three-dot icon again and again click on the option repair library. After doing so, again from the left pane, click on the option download. Now scroll down and you will find the option of game file transfer over local network. If you have turned this on, turn it off. After doing these simple steps, close it and try to relaunch your Steam, and hopefully the issue of content server unreachable will be completely fixed. Now if this failed to work out, first of all, right click on taskbar and choose option task manager. Right in the search box, search for Steam, and once the Steam files are available, right click and choose option end task to completely close the Steam from the task manager. Once Steam is closed, you need to head over to this PC, C drive, program files, x86, Steam. I mean you need to open the Steam directory. Right over here, press the Ctrl A key to select all the files. Now one by one uncheck Steam apps, second file is user folder, and third file is steam.exe file. You need to uncheck these three files, steam.exe, second one is user data, and third one is Steam apps. After unchecking these three files, right click on the remaining files and choose the option delete. This will delete or remove the Steam files. After deleting, again find steam.exe file. Right click on it and choose the option run as administrator. This will force the Steam to manually update. Once the Steam update is finished, all the files will be downloaded. After that, Steam will launch automatically and the issue of content server unavailable will be completely fixed out. So that's all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.